Welcome back MH Car Review, and oh my goodness, people, today we are talking about something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Audi Motorhome concept, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never look at an RV the same way again. This is not just a vehicle. This is a statement. This is Audi telling the entire world that luxury travel has no limits, and I am here for every single inch of it. Let us start from the outside, because the exterior of this machine is where Audi has truly gone all in. The first thing that hits you is the scale. This is a full double-decker motorhome, stretching out with an imposing, muscular stance that commands attention the moment it rolls into view. The bodywork is finished in a deep, glossy midnight black that almost looks like liquid metal in direct sunlight, and running along every edge and accent point, you will find gold detailing that elevates the entire look from impressive to jaw-dropping. Those golden accents trace the wheel arches, outline the lower body panels, and wrap around the front fascia in a way that feels both aggressive and sophisticated at the same time. The wheels themselves deserve their own conversation. We are looking at massive multi-spoke black alloys with golden brake calipers peeking through, mounted on what appears to be a six-wheel drivetrain configuration. Yes, 6 wheels, which gives this motorhome a presence that is closer to a military vehicle than anything you would find at a campsite. Up front, the Audi 4-ring badge sits proudly in the center, and the daytime running lights give the front end that signature Audi sharpness we all know and love. Moving to the side, the dual-level design is broken up by a full exterior staircase that connects the lower deck entrance to the upper observation deck. The glass paneling on both levels is expansive and panoramic, wrapping around corners and flooding the interior with natural light. The roofline curves gracefully at the top, almost like a luxury yacht, with what appears to be a retractable sunroof or observation platform built right into the crown of the vehicle. This is not just engineering, this is art on wheels. Now let us talk interior, because if the outside got you excited, the inside is going to have you reaching for your wallet. Audi has designed this space with the philosophy that you should never have to sacrifice comfort for mobility. The lower-level houses what can only be described as a penthouse living room. Think deep leather seating, ambient lighting in Audi's signature warm tones, a full entertainment wall, and enough space to host a dinner party without bumping elbows. The material choices are premium throughout, with brushed aluminum trim, hand-stitched upholstery, and smart glass panels that can switch from transparent to frosted at the touch of a button for privacy on demand. The upper deck is where the magic really happens. This is the lounge and observation space, and with those wraparound panoramic windows, you get a 270-degree view of whatever scenery you happen to be parked in front of, whether that is a mountain range, a coastal cliff, or a city skyline. There is also a fully equipped kitchen and dining area that rivals what you would find in a high-end apartment, along with sleeping quarters that are reported to accommodate up to 8 passengers in genuine luxury. Every storage solution is hidden, every finish is seamless, and every detail has been considered with Audi's obsessive attention to quality. On the performance side, Audi has gone fully electric with this concept. The powertrain is expected to feature a dual-motor all-electric setup producing somewhere in the region of 800 to 1,000 horsepower, which for a vehicle of this size and weight is genuinely extraordinary. The 6-wheel configuration is not just for looks, it provides enhanced stability, superior load distribution, and the kind of traction control that makes driving this beast feel far more manageable than you might expect. Audi's air suspension system adapts continuously to the road surface, meaning that despite the sheer mass of this motorhome, the ride quality inside remains smooth, quiet, and utterly composed. Estimated range on a full charge is being speculated around 400 to 500 miles, which would make it genuinely practical for long-distance travel without range anxiety. The technology package includes a full autonomous driving suite, meaning this motorhome can essentially drive itself on highways while you sit upstairs enjoying the view with a glass of something cold in your hand. Connectivity is baked in throughout multiple 5G antennas, satellite internet compatibility, smart home integration, and a central AI system that manages everything from climate control to route planning. Now, the question everyone is asking: how much does this cost? Well, Audi has not officially confirmed a production price as this is still in the advanced concept stage, but industry analysts are placing the likely retail figure somewhere between $800,000 and $1.2 million when it eventually reaches production. Is that a lot of money? Absolutely. Is it worth it for what you're getting? Based on everything we have just walked through together, I genuinely think for the right buyer, the answer is yes. This is the 2026 Audi Motorhome, and it may just be the coolest thing on 4 or rather 6 wheels right now. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned, because it only gets better from here.